Hey friends, there's a new IPO of Chemplast starting 10th August. But in this video, I don't want to explain about the business of the company or future growth prospects. Rather, I want to highlight an important information that you as an investor should be aware of. So Chemplast is a specialty chemical company that is planning to get listed on NSE and BSE. But this is not the first time when this company is getting listed. Yes, this company was already listed on NSE and BSE earlier. However, in 2012, the company got delisted. At that time, it was struggling badly and had high debt levels with debt to equity of 6 times. Now, a debt level of 6 times against equity suggests a very poor business performance. Now, there are some watcher forwards that the company got delisted at Rs 4.51 in 2012 and now it is launching its IPO at Rs 541, that is 120 times its listing price. So this is an incorrect information. The company got delisted at a price of Rs 15 and at that time it was trading at a face value of Rs 1. But in the latest IPO, the face value is of Rs 5. So basically at 5 rupee face value, the company was delisted at a share price of Rs 75 and not 15. I know many people don't understand how face value works. Anyways, let's not get into that. In case you want to check the source, I have added the link in the description. So at the current price of Rs 541, it is actually reopening at 7 times its delisting price. So 10 years later, today the company is now asking 7 times its price of delisting. Now that is ridiculous. Then there is another problem with the company. As per DHRP that company has filed, as of 20th February 21, company has an outstanding borrowing of Rs 3,117 crore against equity of Rs 1,914 crore. So that's a debt to equity of around 1.6 times, which is extremely high as compared to other companies in the specialty chemical business. In fact, Chemplast has listed its peers in the RHP and it includes PI industry that has a debt equity of 0.05, Phenolics industry that has a debt equity of 0.06 and Naveen Flooring that has a debt to equity of 0, which is debt free. Although after the IPO the company would reduce its debt levels, but why would you take a risk of investing in such a high debt business where there is so many already good debt free companies available in the market? And not to forget that last time when it got delisted, it was struggling with high debt levels. And if we compare the return on net worth, the company has reported a return on net worth of 5.45% in March 20 and by December 20, that is in the 9 months of FY21, the company reported a return on net worth of 1.87%, which is pathetic. All the competitors of this company are doing much better in terms of profitability. Also, if you look at the IPO issue, Chemplast is raising Rs 3,850 crore, out of which there is a fresh issue of Rs 1,300 crore and remaining 2,550 crore is offered for sale, where the money would go in promoters' pocket. So my point is simple. There have been various red flags in the past and currently there is a high debt level on the company. And more importantly, there are many good companies available in the market in the chemical sector. So be very careful before you invest your hard-earned money. And as far as current IPO listing is concerned, this is clearly a time of euphoria where every company is trying to get listed in the stock market. Majority of companies are listing at high to very high valuation and promoters are selling their stake and taking profits in their pocket. And the majority of retail investors are looking at IPOs as a lottery system. All they care about is the grey market premium. If the GMP is high, then invest. And if the GMP is low, then don't invest. But trust me, this party will not last forever. The only question is, when will this party end? So enjoy till this party lasts. By the way, I hope you know that GMP changes frequently. So if there is a grey market premium of 40% today on a share, then it doesn't mean that you will surely get 40% return on listing. It is all based on the sentiment that changes every second. I might consider creating an in-depth video on the current hype around IPO. But for now, I just want to request you all to please be very careful with your money. Do not blindly invest in any random IPO without even looking at the fundamentals and valuation. And please do not blindly depend upon anyone, not even me. I would really suggest you to learn how to analyze a company before you invest your hard-earned money. And as far as Chemplast IPO is concerned, I am not going to put my money in such a heavily debt-funded company with a poor track record in the past, especially when there are so many good companies available in the chemical sector. It doesn't matter how much its GMP is. I only invest in fundamentally strong companies for long term. So that's it from my side in this video. I will see you with another video. Till then, take care.